Hey guys, welcome to our channel Nature's Whisper. In this video, we are taking you to India's famous waterfall, the Athirapally Waterfall. Let's get started.
Let's go.
We are starting our journey from Bangalore at early morning 4 am as it is 9-hour travel by the road. The best part to start early is that the roads are empty. We stopped at Sarvana Bhavan at Salem for breakfast. After a short breakfast break, we resumed the road trip with mesmerizing views and music. The route which we followed by road is from Bangalore to Salem, Salem to Coimbatore, Coimbatore to Thrissur district, Athirapalli.
6 hours later.
Around 1:30 afternoon, we reached the resort, which is our stay for tonight. We checked in and came to see the waterfall as the visit timing is 8 am to 5 pm. Parking is available at cost of 30 rupees and Athirapalli entry ticket for adult is 50 rupees and separate charges for children and foreigners. Athirapally Waterfall is the Kerala's most famous and largest waterfall at over 80 feet height. It is referred as the Niagara Falls of India. Many movies, Pushpa, Dil Se, Will, Bahubali has been shot here, and after Bahubali shooting, few people call it as Bahubali Falls. What we are seeing now is the top view of waterfall, and this side down is the way of seeing the waterfall from the front view. It's a trek of 15 minutes. Let's go. And after all this, we get to see this view. Some guidelines: wear comfortable clothes and shoes, carry food and water, although there will be shops inside for snacks. Also, please don't litter the place. Outside there are shopping and food options available. Now we are returning back to the resort. One advice before making online booking for your stay here in this resort. We faced a situation where the owner denied the booking because they do not accept the online booking from any of the websites, and because of this our stay was not comfortable as we did not get the same booked room. However, the booking website helped us with the refund. This is the room we got, which was okay.
(8:01 p.m.)
So he is eating this Kerala famous parota and what is that?
Curry mean.
Curry mean, and this is chicken gravy. So how is the taste?
Taste is authentic. Good. I like.
And I am waiting for my food because I am vegetarian.
The next morning.
Next morning, we are starting for our next travel destination, which is Munnar. If this video was informational to you, please like, share and provide your valuable comments. Also, please subscribe to our channel Nature's Whisper. Thank you.